How to use Ethereum Optimism L2. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at the Layer 2 Ethereum Optimism. So let's get into it. Now, before we get into how to actually switch to the Ethereum Optimism Layer 2, we need to discuss what this basically is. So what is Optimism and what is the difference between the Ethereum mainnet and the Optimism net? So Optimism is basically a scaling solution for Ethereum, and it helps to reduce the transaction fees. So gas fees or GUI that you would usually pay would be reduced on the Optimism blockchain, and this would usually help you in reducing gas fees and transaction times on the overall Ethereum blockchain. And generally, Optimism will usually help. It's just a way to help Ethereum's scalability issue. So this will just help you in increasing the rate of transactions per second on the blockchain of the network. So that is one of the main purposes of Ethereum Optimism. That's one of the basic things that it's supposed to do. And what it does is that because Ethereum is one of the most secure networks on the decentralized blockchains, so what this Optimism network is going to do, it is going to help Ethereum scale up, and it would expand the decentralized chain that is present on Ethereum. So it has scalability, it has reduced fees, it also has a good layer of security and enhanced user experience because they do have user governance, as you can see over here. So they do have some user introduced governance. If you're on the blockchain, you can, vote for stuff, and depending on how much you hold in your account, you can actually go on ahead and vote for certain protocols. So moving on, you might be wondering, how do I actually access the blockchain? How do I go on to the Optimism chain? So how do I switch from the Ethereum mainnet? So you can see over here, I have my MetaMask account, and I'm just going to log in. So if I open my MetaMask account, you can see it is on the Ethereum mainnet. Now you can click on add network over here and add another network name. Now this is a more difficult way to swap networks, and I wouldn't recommend it. So the easier way to actually swap your network from the mainnet to the Optimism network is for you to go on to Uniswap. So Uniswap is a simple protocol that will allow you to swap networks. So you're just going to click on launch application over here. And from over here, you can just swap your network. So you can change this from Ethereum to any other network of your choice. You can also go on ahead onto your Ethereum mainnet and then just click on over here to enter the specific market you want to enter. Now, if you click on your top right over here, you have your basic settings, and you can join Discords as well as some help centers. Now you can see on your top, like on the top right, you have your Ethereum logo, and then you're just going to click on Optimism over here to swap the network. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Optimism. Now this will open up your MetaMask account, and you're going to click on approve, and then switching networks will cancel all pending confirmations. You're going to click on switch network. And now, just like that, our network has been switched. So now if I open my MetaMask account, as you can see over here, instead of Ethereum, it says Optimism. So now we have bridged networks, and now you can actually convert any of your currency onto a different network. So now we're going to select Optimism over here. You're going to click on Connect Wallet, click on MetaMask over here, and now you can see my MetaMask wallet has been connected. It is on the Optimism network, and then you can click on over here to swap any of the tokens on the native Optimism network. Now, you might be wondering, okay, I have my money in exchanges, I have my money in other places. How do I get it to switch from the Ethereum mainnet to the Optimism Layer 2 network? So that is also very simple. If you are on a marketplace, like Binance, you can actually go into your wallet. You can go into the overview of your wallet, and then you're going to click on withdraw over here. Now, once you click on withdraw, you can go on ahead and continue and withdraw your fiat, or you can click on withdraw crypto, because we're going to withdraw crypto over here. And then what you're going to do is that you're just going to go on ahead and enter the coin that you want to withdraw. And then you're just going to select the network from over here. You can see that they have the network choosing option. A lot of the crypto exchanges presently have network choice options, so you don't need to worry about that. You have the option to select the network, and you're just going to make sure to select Optimism as your network whenever you are looking to withdraw directly from a exchange. You won't have to go to Uniswap, or even if you do want to, then you can swap coins on Uniswap as well for a different token. Now, moving on, we also have the AAVE liquidity protocol. Now, AAVE is a marketplace, and let's say you want to get money on your Optimism network for Ethereum, all the places to go, but it's going to be pretty much the same thing. Instead of going into the Ethereum market, you're just going to select the Optimism market, and that is just a major difference. So make sure whenever you are looking to borrow, exchange, purchase crypto, just make sure to go, instead of going into the Ethereum market, go into the Optimism market. So you're going to click on Optimism. And now this will actually show you the coins and tokens that are available in the Optimism market. So this is just to make sure that you understand that once you have swapped to the Optimism market, you're going to be using all of the key features for Optimism's layer 2 network, so which is Ethereum's layer 2 network. And you're just going to click on the Optimism market, and then you can trade, borrow, supply in the Optimism market via your MetaMask account, which is on the Optimism network. And you can just as easily switch networks. So currently I'm on the Optimism one, then I can click on Ethereum mainnet, and this would transfer my wallet back to Ethereum mainnet. Then I can click on Optimism and switch the protocol that I am using as well. Now, Optimism also does have their own marketplace. So they have Velodrome as one of their marketplaces, and you can click on launch application over here to get started. And you can see over here you have a lot of different tokens available. You have pools, West, voting, and rewards. So you can click on connect wallet, connect your wallet over here. You're going to click on next and then connect. And once your wallet has been connected, you can go on ahead and browse the markets on Velodrome. But I would recommend that with newer marketplaces like this, because you don't have that much history or security, that you stick with some of your safer marketplaces like Binance or any other marketplace of that sort, because those are going to give you a lot more safety, and that is going to be something that you have previously used and something that you can trust that is going to be reliable. However, Velodrome is a developing market, and there is a lot of potential, especially being that it is the native market for the Optimism network, so it does have some level of security to it. Now, you can see that Optimism also has their all application system, and you can browse all of the applications that could be linked with the Optimism network. You also have the bridging option, so you can click on agree to term and you can bridge directly from the Optimism website. And then you also have things for developers and more, so they have Discord, Twitter, Twitch, and other blogs for more help or information about the Optimism network. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out. And if I left something out, leave that in the comment box down below. Optimism Network adds a great potential to crypto. It is an expansion of Ethereum's mainnet, and it has the same level of security with increased functionality on the similar kind of Ethereum network. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.